Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle app. You will click on settings as you see and you will click. So here you will go to settings. Then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about YesStyle and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.